Exceptional supers are a blessing and an asset to the building. As a property manager, believe me, it feels really great when the building's running smoothly and all the residents are happy because your super is doing a fantastic job. If you've ever worked closely with supers before, either as a board member or a building manager, you'll recognize that exceptional supers make your own work really easy. They focus on the priorities that you set for them, and they follow up on things so you don't have to. And they serve as your most important set of eyes and ears at the building. Great supers also help save the building a lot of money by making accurate assessments of the building's condition so that you, as a board member or a property manager, can make the right decisions. But what happens when things are not working as smoothly as you'd like? For instance, I can never get a hold of my building super. I just can't trust him or what he says. I always have to follow up on him or things never get done. Recognizing these issues or these pains and understanding the causes and also wanting to or desiring to change them is the first step in doing something that many board members and managers fail to do because either they're overwhelmed with these issues and they don't know how to go about fixing these problems, or they know how to fix it but they don't feel like it's ever going to change no matter who you hire. So what does it take to resolve these? The good news is that every complaint that I've heard can be narrowed down or boiled down to a group of 9 pains. Let's start by breaking these down. Number 1, trustworthiness and honesty. Number 2, reliability and dependability. Number 3, consistency. Number 4, general skill and competency. Number 5, attitude and personality. Number 6, proactivity. Number 7, communication. Number 8, availability. And number 9, cost. So these 9 things can sum up the entire range of issues that you may be feeling with your part-time super or your super in general. We found that each of these pains, when it happens time and time again, can add to a growing level of anxiety and frustration. But which do you think is the most commonly occurring or most popular pain on this list? If you've guessed trustworthiness and honesty, then pat yourself on the back. This pain is, among our survey takers of board members and building managers, the most serious and the most popular issue that occurs in the industry, and one that needs to be taken care of right away. Because let's face it, you count on your super to provide accurate assessments and feedback on the conditions in the building. If this happens time and time again, you'll find yourself going to double check on your super and follow up on the things to make sure that they were accurate. This means double work, double time, double energy, and double anxiety. Trust me, I've been there. So we want to find and discuss methods that can eliminate every single one of these pains. Stay tuned for our next video, and that will be our topic.